Above the shadowy waters and tangled roots, life flourishes amid the towering trees and lush canopies of the Amazon. In this vibrant yet unforgiving environment, creatures of astonishing diversity have evolved, each perfectly adapted to their unique niches. Among the high branches, a creature unlike any other moves with deliberate slowness. The three-toed sloth. With its shaggy brown-gray fur and large, gentle eyes, the sloth seems untouched by the frenetic pace of the surrounding world. Every movement is slow and measured, as if savoring every fleeting moment of existence. Yet this seemingly lethargic lifestyle is a brilliant survival strategy. By moving so slowly, the sloth avoids attracting the attention of predators. It conserves precious energy in an environment where food is not always abundant. Spending most of its life suspended from branches, feeding on tender leaves, the sloth descends to the ground only occasionally, sometimes as rarely as once a week, to defecate. However, this tranquility is under constant threat from one of the Amazon's most formidable predators, the harpy eagle. With a wingspan reaching 2 meters, powerful talons larger than a human hand, and unparalleled vision, the harpy eagle can spot a sloth amid dense foliage from high above, swooping down with lethal precision. The harpy eagle, the most powerful bird of prey in the Amazon, reigns supreme at the top of the food chain. From lofty perches, it surveys its domain, its keen eyes detecting even the slightest movement amid the thick jungle canopy. A single strike from the harpy eagle can mean instant death for its prey. Not far from the sloth's treetop refuges, another group of creatures displays a different kind of agility: the spider monkeys. With their extraordinarily long limbs and prehensile tails, spider monkeys are true acrobats of the forest, swinging effortlessly from branch to branch. Their dynamic movement through the treetops helps them escape predators and search for fruits, flowers, and insects. Spider monkeys are highly social animals, living in cohesive groups that rely on complex communication systems. Loud calls, shrieks, grunts, and intricate body language maintain the cohesion of their bands. Their strong social bonds help protect them against the myriad dangers lurking within the forest shadows. Lower in the understory, a solitary, enigmatic hunter prowls: the giant anteater. With its elongated snout and sticky tongue extending up to 60 centimeters, the giant anteater feasts on thousands of ants and termites daily. Though it lacks teeth, it compensates with incredible efficiency, breaking open insect mounds and lapping up its prey at astonishing speed. Despite its peaceful disposition, the giant anteater can become a formidable opponent when threatened. With massive, razor-sharp claws, it can deliver devastating blows capable of maiming or killing predators, including jaguars, in moments of fierce defense. In the midst of the forest's bustling life, smaller yet vital creatures thrive. Agoutis, quick-footed rodents, scurry across the forest floor, hoarding seeds and inadvertently aiding in the forest's regeneration. By burying seeds throughout the jungle, agoutis play a crucial role in sustaining the biodiversity of the Amazon. As dusk falls and darkness blankets the forest, a new realm awakens. Nocturnal animals emerge, each perfectly attuned to life in the shadows. Ocelots, elusive and stealthy, slink through the undergrowth, hunting small mammals and birds. Their spotted coats provide perfect camouflage among the dappled light and shadow. Night monkeys, the only truly nocturnal primates of the Amazon, venture into the twilight, communicating through soft calls and foraging for fruits. Owls, with their extraordinary night vision and acute hearing, silently patrol the darkness, ready to swoop down upon unsuspecting prey. Night in the Amazon is a symphony of subtle sounds. The rustle of leaves, the call of night birds, the quiet splash of a swimming animal. Every creature, large and small, from the sloth to the spider monkey, the giant anteater to the ocelot, is interconnected in the great tapestry of life. Each action, no matter how seemingly insignificant, whether a monkey dropping a fruit, an anteater consuming insects, or a rodent bearing seeds, has rippling effects across the ecosystem. The Amazon is not merely a collection of species, but a living, breathing network, where survival depends on the delicate balance of millions of interactions. Above the forest floor and high into the canopy, life pulses with an ancient rhythm. Here, survival demands adaptation, innovation, and resilience. The Amazon rainforest, with its infinite diversity of life, stands as one of the last and greatest bastions of nature's boundless creativity.